Wow, you wouldn't believe this one. This is a 1976 Turbo Pacer from AMC. The Centaur, 19,000 original miles, in storage since 1979. Brooks Stevens Museum for 20 years. Factory prototype, developed with Centaur Development Company. 3.6 liter turbocharged engine, 4-speed transmission, race-tuned suspension. So they never really manufactured this. It was a prototype. Boy, this thing would have sold. Look at the stance on that thing. I like the way the Pacer looks with this stance. God. But you know, competition and getting up to development cost and trying to get it out to the market with all, get a sale with all the competing other brands out there from a small company like AMC. This thing was actually a good design. I mean, in a lot of ways. But there was a lot of little quality control problems with them back in the day. I was familiar with working on these things, and I fixed some of them correct. You know, electrical gremlins and stuff that professional mechanics couldn't do, or they didn't bother to do. And but this thing looks a beaut. Like you see the flared out wheel wells, so you can fit bigger meat under there, a lot more rubber. A lot of glass, and with the louver, this thing really makes a huge difference in the standard Pacer. The way this one looks, the roll bar over the driver's side, better seats, 4-speed, 90-mile-an-hour speed anemometer, but I bet you it goes a lot faster than that. Still has the vent windows. Oh yeah, I remember this. They had such a big piece of glass, you had to close it with that. That's your, like, you know,
something like 3,586 square inches of glass on it.
Yeah. I'm familiar with these cars.
To make it a 4,000 pound back car.
Yeah. Yeah, imagine if they manufactured this one would have sold. This one would have really sold.
Well, it was a prototype. But
yeah, I mean, if they just did the wheel wells and the flares and the tires alone, that would have made this car sell like crazy.
That's what they were trying to develop for AMC when they had a cash crunch and went bankrupt.
Yeah, that's what kills it. Yeah, cash, money.
Yeah, no, the flares help.
Oh yeah, the body style is like, you know, because with the standard tires, it looks like the car's sitting on like a, you know, a small, something that doesn't belong. I mean, it's almost like a big body.
Tire,
yeah, that's what I was talking about. The Barracuda back there, the '69 Barracuda. They used tires and axles from like the Valiant, and he upgraded the car, and it's like it looks like a totally European sports car.
Exactly.
It's because of the wider tires that filled out, like more the wheel well up, you know, vertically, but also brought them out to the edge of the body, where they weren't tucked inside the body. These used to be tucked inside the body, and I was like, you know.
Well, we cheated a little bit when we put the new tires on. We did add spacers.
Yeah.
So we moved the wheels out.
Well, yeah, that's
improved the appearance a lot.
Oh yeah, exactly. I mean, you know, I know why they're doing that from the factory, because they're taking stuff from other cars, other axles and other.
They were trying to build a car as cheaply as they could.
Yeah, so they took it from other models, and it was like a you know, whatever model it was like the most discounted model going, and it wasn't really designed for the new car, and it killed their sales by doing that.
Well, that's what happened to this. It was developed for racing in SCCA, but the suspension wasn't up to it.
Yeah.
So they asked SCCA for waivers on some of the rules.
Yeah.
Ford and Chevy objected. And that's when AMC said, okay, we bow out.
Yeah, Ford and Chevy objected just to